Good morning, dear students. Welcome to second semester. Today we are back with our maths class. So we will start chapter number 10, perimeter and area. So first of all, I want to tell you about some figures. Okay, before doing perimeter and area, before knowing what is perimeter and what is area, you have to understand about the figures. I am going to tell you about the open figure and the closed figure. Okay, so first of all, you can observe the following figures. Just see these figures. This figure is a b c d, a b d c. You have done the line segments, rays and everything in previous semester. So just see, with the help of lines we have made a figure. Lines are a b, b d and d c. So we have made figure a b d c. Okay, so we have made a figure, but this figure starts from point A and ends at C. If on the other side, if you see, we have one more figure A, B, D, C. So it starts from A and you just see it ends at A again. Okay, so this figure which starts from the same point and ends at the same point is a closed figure. ये बंद होगी ये फिगर, है ना, इसका कुछ भी ओपन नहीं है. ये देखो, ये it is closed figure and we have some area inside it. Okay, so but this figure is not closed. ये देखो, ये it started from A and ended at C. Okay, it is not closed, but if we join C and A, it will be a closed figure. So one thing I want to tell you, that perimeter and area we can find of a closed figure only. We cannot find the area and perimeter of a open figure. Okay, this is a open figure. It is not closed. It started from A and ended at C. But this figure started from A, you can say, and ended at A. If you started from B, then it ended at B. Same point, same starting point and ending point. Okay, but it is an open figure and it is a closed figure. So first thing which you have to keep in mind is that if we have to find the perimeter and area of any figure, that figure must be closed figure. It should not be an open figure. Okay, same way here you can see X and Y. It started from X and ended at Y. It is not joined from here. It is open from here. So this is open figure. But if we see the next figure, it is a closed figure. It is closed from everywhere. Okay, it is a closed figure. Okay, so figure 2 and 4. This is second figure and this is fourth figure, are closed figures as they start and end at the same point. Some of the closed figures that can be drawn are shown as below. More closed figures are like this. This square, rectangle, triangle, circle, rhombus. Okay, these all are closed figure. You can see these all are closed. They are having same end point and starting point. You just see all these are closed figure. But this and this are open figures. Okay. Now just see. First of all, I want to tell you about the perimeter. What is perimeter? Okay, so first of all, there are two things we have to do, perimeter and area. Okay, so but first of all we will do perimeter. Now first of all I will explain you perimeter. So perimeter is made up of two words, peri plus meter. Okay, you can see peri plus meter. So peri means around. Peri means around, meter means to measure. So meaning of perimeter is to measure around a figure or around a field. Okay, but the meaning of perimeter is to measure around. मतलब उसके बाहर बाहर से measure करना, around, all around the figure. Okay, just see, now I have given, suppose a field is there, A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a field. So in that field, four sides are there, AB, BC, CD and DA. So we have to find its perimeter. So perimeter, as I have told you, around, measure, peri plus meter, to measure around the figure. So when we have to measure around the figure, we will start to measure from point A. So we will move from point A to B. First A, B. Then when we have to measure around, then we will add all the sides. First AB, then plus BC, then plus from C to D, then plus D to A. We started from A and we ended at A only. Okay. So when we have to find the perimeter, what did we do? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. So what is AB? What is the length of AB? 2 centimeter. I have written 2 centimeter where AB was written. Then plus as it is. What is BC? Length of BC is 3 centimeter. So BC is 3 centimeter. Plus CD. CD is 2 centimeter. And plus DA 3 centimeter. So we have to add all these sides. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3 10. So it is 10 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this field? It is 10 centimeter. We measured around this field. We have not measured the area. We have not measured what is there in between the field. Around the field. We have measured the length around the field. So what is the meaning of perimeter? Once again I am telling you to measure around the field. So measure around the field means to add all the sides of the field. It will be the measurement around the field. Now we will start exercise 10A. Part B is there in the syllabus. Exercise 10B part B. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So just see, first question we have given a triangle. It is a triangle. All of you know what is a triangle, which is having 3 sides. Okay. So the figure which is having 3 sides. So triangle is a closed surface. So we can measure its perimeter. Okay. So perimeter is the length around a figure. Total length around a figure. Okay. So now if we start from here to here, what is the length? 4 centimeter. From here to here, what is the length? 3 centimeter. From here to here again we reach the same point from where we have started to here, the length is 2 centimeter. So when we have to measure the length around the figure, what do? We will add all the sides. So let us see how to do. So now we have drawn a figure. In fair notebook also you have to draw a figure like this. Write the length. What is the length given? Then you have to write this way: perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle from here to here. First this side we will take. Then this side plus this side. So this side is 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus this side is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. So what is the total? 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 centimeter. So total length around this figure is, around this surface is 9 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this triangle? 9 centimeter. In the same way, second and third part are same. So fourth part I am telling you. So we have given the figure of a square. So whose all sides are equal. It is given 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. It means all sides are equal. But here I am not telling you about the formula of perimeter, because in this class you will do directly by adding all the sides. When you have to find the perimeter, you have to add all the sides of the figure only. Nothing else you have to do. Okay. So what is the first side of the figure? 4 centimeters. So we have written 4 centimeter plus again 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4 16. So answer is 16 centimeter. So what is this perimeter of the square? 16 centimeter. Fifth and sixth parts also same way we have to do. So 1 to 6 are there in our syllabus. So we will do only 1 to 6 part of the exercise 10A part B. Okay. So I hope you have understood. You have to do neatly in your classwork notebook, and you have to submit this homework today only. Today only I want this homework. Submission of homework must be there. Thank you.